Hey there, I'm Fabio from Bizzlogic and I'm right here in the heart of Hamburg-Speicherstadt. Today at Bizzlogic we're doing something a little bit different. It's all about exploring the unknown, from VR pixel streaming to AI chatbots in the Metaverse, or even Gaussian splatting for scanning real environments. But here's the twist. As I'm going to walk into our office, we don't yet know what our project will be. That's, I think, the exciting part. We're kicking off with a brainstorming session, trying to mix all of these amazing technologies together to shape one really incredible project for today. And the best part, we'll yet to decide right here in what we're going to do, so stay tuned. And as the day unfolds, we'll take these ideas from concept to reality. And you're in for a surprise, I guess, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. So cheers. I'm now in our beautiful office and I'm going to prepare our little networking / brainstorming session. And in the next few sequences, you're gonna see all of us sitting together, brainstorming today's project, and then let's see what comes out of it. And I'm looking forward to tell you more about it.
So the idea is we decorate our plaza in a Christmas setting, so we can have our Christmas market. So we can have our own Christmas party, Christmas market experience at our plaza.
At a good old German Christmas market.
Yes.
We bring it to the world.
I want Santa. Okay, can we agree on that?
AI Santa? Or?
AI Santa.
All right. Okay. Let's try to get AI Santa.
AI Santa. Let's try it. Let's see.
So we've just wrapped up our brainstorming session. I think our idea is really cool. So picture this, a virtual Christmas market right inside our Meadow platform, really trying to capture the charm and warmth of the German Christmas markets. Imagine wandering through a digital wonderland filled with interactive booths, offering a lot of fun and gamification and like little experiences. But here's the coolest part. We're also trying to integrate an AI avatar, basically a guide who's going to answer you questions about Bizzlogic, Meadow, maybe even the festive market. And if we're nailing it, we're even trying to host our very own Christmas party on the platform later on the year. So we really try to combine this cutting edge technology and give everything to you in Bizzlogic and Meadow style. Hope it's gonna work out. So you're looking for virtual Christmas market assets?
Yes, because we have no time to build anything ourselves. Or maybe a little bit, but we have to.
A lot of gingerbread stuff.
So how much time do we have in total? You want to tell me?
I think 5 hours.
So yeah, we just wrapped up the brainstorming and it's 11:40 now. So we want to get done by EOD. So let's see how far we get. So what's going on this side of the office?
So I just found an amazing person put the Unreal OpenAI plugin on GitHub.
All right.
And it seems to be supporting everything.
So from text to speech to
There's speech, audio, even file support.
Oh wow! Okay,
moderations, fine tuning. You can even generate images.
Oh, wow.
There's chats of it.
All right. So the idea would be to have that plugin inside our instance of Unreal, and then trying to make it talk to ChatGPT, and then maybe train like a custom model, so we can have something like a, I don't know, custom AI avatar talking about Bizzlogic in the Christmas market, right?
Definitely.
All right.
Or even have some Christmas stories.
So Pascal, we're now filming the most crucial role for us be able to continue with the project. So basically the marketplace enabler, I would call it. So we're getting the assets for Annabelle and Jörg, I guess, and Fatih, I think, wanted to purchase a plugin, right?
That is absolutely correct.
So I'm coming from the Bizzlogic e-commerce center.
Buying stuff.
They told me.
And I'm by the time my password, so please add some.
Oh yeah, I already filmed our credit card information, so your password manager should be the smallest problem here. I'm trying to create a prompt for our AI avatar, basically containing all our knowledge. As the avatar is going to be the gingerbread man, it should also be talking according to the tone and voice of a gingerbread man. I hope that's not going to be very challenging. And I think we're going to use 11 Labs voice integration to get our text-to-speech output later in the Unreal Engine. Let's hope everything's gonna work out.
Yeah, I already got the winter nature pack.
All right, okay, so this
set up.
we're gonna what are we going to take from this
We
environment?
basically just use the fir trees and maybe some nature assets to make the whole plaza look a little bit more Christmassy.
Okay, and the snow texture, something, or is this
Exactly.
something? Okay,
I'm updating the framework and then I'm trying to combine everything. It should be quick.
cool.
Let's see.
So, Jörg, I heard some excitement from this corner.
Yeah, looked like it worked.
What's happening? Oh,
I'm dancing with our avatars on the market.
on the Christmas market. Oh, that's beautiful, man.
Yeah, looks very nice.
So, in this Christmas market is just some environment that we got
Yeah.
from the Unreal Engine
Yeah.
store. Okay.
Directly, right? And we're gonna pick the stuff that we want.
Okay, so
For
we're gonna
instance,
pick some assets.
We use the Christmas tree, of course, and then these nice Christmas roofs. And I'm thinking of using this Santa guy here, putting him on a spline and let him fly around the plaza.
Oh. Yeah, so to every Unreal Engine environment builder out there, you see, that's how fast we can get these environments into the Meadow framework. In case you have some Christmas environments, just send them over. Annabelle, what is Ginger Boy doing? Or Ginger Girl, obviously.
Ginger person.
Ginger Boy. Yeah, but we have to decide for a voice, so what's going to be?
Oh, I don't know. I think you should choose. Like this is the design.
All right, okay.
I have like this bouncy head that will like wobble when you walk.
Oh, nice. So it's gonna be flexible. Beautiful. So, Fadi, what's the state with our API connection for our
So
AI
an
avatar?
hour ago, we established everything they wanted from us, and then basically
Who's they?
OpenAI,
All right, okay.
which we are thinking is probably best to use because they have this integrated platform, and a lot of our customers know it, and that's why. And it's the most advanced system out there. And the problem is that even an hour later, we still get error message that our usage limit is blah blah blah. So it seems like they have issues with billing. That's what we could figure out. So that means the whole AI thing is
On hold.
So we still had the fallback plan to look at some gamification and fun activities that we can add to the Christmas update of our plaza.
Talking about the plaza, what's the plaza doing?
I'm trying to get
Becoming more wintry.
these trees to be more not so performance heavy, but now I think I succeeded. We are above 30 frames, which is our limit.
All right, okay.
We
Awesome.
also have snow
Oh,
in here.
beautiful.
Meadow Plaza looks like a complete new environment, right?
Status update. So the AI avatar doesn't seem to really be working because we don't get the connection established to the OpenAI API, which would be required for the plugin that we got for our Meadow framework. Nonetheless, we now decided to hop onto something different and take on some of the ideas that we had during the brainstorming. Some of them were related to interaction pieces on the Meadow Plaza. So now what we're trying to create are some mini games or some interactions to integrate instead of the AI avatar.
It's good
It
that
take like just 1 hour to build everything,
Okay.
and then take another hour to cleanse it.
Okay.
Like just see how far we can get.
Okay. We don't have time.
As we all know, we're the master of pivoting here at Bizzlogic. So What did you have to pivot into?
So instead of making the gingerbread man, I'm just doing
The poor little guy.
small assets for like this gingerbread house feeling. Cool.
Oh, right. So, okay. In general, the idea is now to have a mini game on the campus, right?
And I just took the time, like I have half an hour to model everything and half an hour to texture everything, and then I got another hour left to put it in the level. So
Awesome.
let's see how good it gets.
So, what time is it now? 3:11.
Wow.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's do it.
So Fabi, how's it going on this front?
Pretty good. I'm trying to already edit the video, which you were about to record. My issue is like I'm importing these files from my recording device, which are like probably working here. But then when I have
Do you want to leave this in the frame?
yeah, that's my daily drink, my daily driver, my Sicilian daily driver. No, the thing is, once I import them to Resolve, I get offline media, but I'll probably just have to restart it. So I heard you guys are exploring our Christmas market for the first time. Was there a flying Santa in the intro?
What the fuck? There was a flying.
Yeah, and he was drifting actually, so technically he was drifting.
Beautiful. It's basically the same, but it looks completely different. And we have a crazy.
Hello, flying Santa. Nice.
Thrifty boy. Christmas surrounding.
It's still our plaza, man.
It's still our plaza, yeah.
What happened to the cafe?
I didn't do very much
So
to the
it's the
cafe. I just placed a reindeer there. and some-
Cute.
So what you see here is not a elaborate art piece. It is rather our new intermediate level parkour stage, which we call the cane hooks. So I'm curious how you guys will perform on this stage, because we certainly are unsure. So let me play that back for you. So this is how it will look. Yeah, I think we outdid ourselves here. I'm currently responsible for things that smack you away, which is a great responsibility.
Hashtag the AI avatar. No, I don't think anything happened there, right?
No.
Oh, that's cool. Okay, so interaction it became.
So we're building.
We're
these
blocking
building
out
blocks.
the parkour. Okay.
I'm more like for responsible for what are the actual moving parts, and we decided on what we want to do, and it's pretty fun. So I already have these things that go sideways, and now I'm building a very fast version of the wheel that spins around where you can jump over it, and
So
if
is
you
this-
don't manage it, you get knocked down.
Is this becoming a Meadow version of Fall Guys, basically?
I would say Fall Guys and Takeshi's Castle are very big inspirations for us. Yeah.
I heard a lot of laughter from this corner.
Yeah, so the most interesting part of the day will start now. So we have everything built together, and now we will design a parkour that will enlighten people's hearts.
Sorry.
And we will start with this one. We call it the Great Filter. So you need to pass the gingerbread man in order to actually start the rest of the parkour. And I think the Great Filter should filter out 50% of people trying it out, because look at this menace.
I will have light. Make him bigger.
I think that needs to be on camera. So this is the gingerbread man.
Got him.
Wow, this is a great parkour!
Wow, what a day it has been at Bizzlogic. As the evening sets in, I want to share a quick wrap-up of our exciting project. First off, a little hiccup. Our AI avatar didn't quite come to life as we hoped. We're still waiting on that API access, but you know what? That's just how it goes sometimes. What's really blown me away, though, is how quickly we've transformed our virtual plaza. It's incredible. And we've just learned again that interaction is key. So instead of the AI avatar, we introduced a parkour interaction that turned out to be a fantastic addition. Everything is coming together beautifully, and this day has been a prime example of how we can handle these short-time projects with Bizzlogic, with our creativity, our team's agility, and a lot of teamwork. So I'm super proud of our team's flexibility and how we've worked within our limits to make something truly special in one day. You've already had a glimpse into what we've created, so if you're curious to see more and maybe even want to host your own virtual Christmas party in a setting like this, don't hesitate to reach out. We'd love to show you around our virtual Christmas market. So what do you think?